This was what we used to sell back in the days. This is a Dell Optiplex 3010. Still very, very, useful. If you have the possibility to get this PC, please go ahead and get it, because even though it's not the best selling PC right now, but people that have this PC will normally want to buy stuff like this, which is a power supply. If it goes defective, they want to make recourse to it. And some of these people also have situations where the internal fan right here is broken, and if you can go ahead and list that on eBay, I'm telling you, you are going to be making some clean bucks out of it. Will I buy this today? Definitely not, because the processor on this PC is pretty much an older generation. So what I would normally do is to go ahead and get a more recent PC, say an Intel, 8 gen, 10 gen, 12 gen, stuff like that. But if you still find it and you feel like you want to experiment with stuff like this, please feel free to knock yourself out, because at the end of the day, it is an eBay item. People will definitely, still look for this. But me personally, I'm going to be pulling this PC off, and I'm going to be bringing in the power supply, definitely listing it, possibly, also trying to list this one right here, because there might be somebody that has this, front blend, and for one reason or the other, something is broken and they just want a newer one. Definitely, I'm going to list that myself. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and tear this PC out. The processor itself also not so interesting anymore, because like I said, it's an older generation of Intel, Core i5 you have here. But then feel free to experiment, because at the end of the day, you can only get to learn a lot of things if you experiment with stuff like this.